So, um, so number 6 says use the data on the stock performance of the specific companies for the following questions. This data is found on Brain Honey under Lesson 3 preparations called the app. Find the mean standard deviation and sample size for each of these companies.
Okay. Sorry, I'm just trying to get it to upload.
Oh, yours is still uploading?
Okay, I got it.
Did you have any questions or anything about yesterday's stuff?
No, I'm good.
Yeah, I think that reading that is just really long. I don't think none of it was super hard stuff.
Yeah. Okay, you'll have to bear with me because I'm kind of technologically challenged.
No worries.
Okay, how do you find the mean and standard deviation again?
So the mean, you just add up the total, or excuse me, the total of all the numbers, and then divide it by how many numbers there are. So it's just the average of the data.
Oh, yeah, I was just talking about, because isn't there a way on SPSS?
Oh, sorry. I think so.
Where do you guys live?
We live in Rexford. We live at Campus Courtyard.
Okay. We were gonna live there, but then we decided to move out here.
Oh, really?
Yeah, we were at the Village, but hated that place.
I had brothers that lived there when it was brand new.
They try to screw you over any way they can.
And no, I heard that. Seems like they try to nickel and dime you.
Yeah.
So I'm trying to remember what we did last night, just because there's so many different things that we did. All these different files are kind of giving me a headache. Okay, so on SPSS, it opens up that Excel spreadsheet.
Mhm.
Is that what was the file that we used to make the histogram and stuff?
It's the SPSS, but I'm just trying to remember. Because don't you just like highlight everything and then go to graphs and hit legacy dialogues and histogram?
Let me check to see if that works. Oh, hold on a second. Sorry.
No, you're fine.
Okay, so there it is. So I couldn't find the SPSS thing. I get the SPSS and the VMware and all that stuff mixed up.
Yeah. Let me see this one. Still lit. Oh my goodness.
Do you have the SPSS numbers loaded up?
Yeah.
Okay. How did you get that file number? So the mystery and investment opportunities. How did you get those numbers into the SPSS?
I just clicked on the document that the attachment that said the mystery.
Oh, so did you log into your BYU Idaho on like that server?
Yeah, you have to log on to that because if you're on the different one from your computer, it won't switch over.
This seems like a really complicated way of doing it.
It is.
Okay, now we're doing it. Okay. So then, after we get all the numbers, we go to Graphs Legacy Dialog, and then we do a histogram.
I think so.
What did you put in as a variable?
That's what I'm trying to figure out. Let's see.
So the question's asking, we just ask for the mean. What's good?
So it's asking for the mean.
And that's the mean of the stock of the companies.
Okay, it says to calculate the mean and median in SPSS, go to Analyze and Descriptive Statistics, and then you go to Explore, and then you click on the name of the variable for which you want to calculate the mean and median. Then click on the arrow next to it to move it to the box, and then click on OK. So then what did you put in the dependent list?
I'm trying to figure this out. So, okay. So. Where's the Analyze tab at?
It's at the very top on the same one where.
Okay. Sorry, I had the graph pulled up and I couldn't find it.
Oh no, you're fine.
Analyze. Okay. Now, what is the dependent list again?
That's what I'm trying to figure out. Did it say?
I don't remember reading about that.
Because, well, that's the one that you're trying to get the mean for.
Oh, okay.
So I'm just wondering if we're trying to get the mean for like each column or.
I think so. In the answer key, it has A, B, C, D, E.
Okay, so then that would be it. So then the mean for A would be 21.276.
Yeah.
Are we supposed to round it all?
I think it's just the 3 decimal places.
And the standard deviation's 37.6792.
Mm-hmm. So it'd be 37.679.
Yeah.
So then we need to find n the sample size, right?
Do we?
I think so. That's one of the questions. I think it's 40.
Oh yeah, sample size.
So
How do you do that?
the sample size is just what I think it's how many reported. So I think for this one it'd be the valid. It would be that n number.
Okay. So for that one, how much is it?
41.
Okay.
So now we go to B.
Mm-hmm.
How do you get rid of A? Oh, there it is. Never mind. So the mean for that one is 33.482.
Yeah. I think so.
And then the standard deviation is 49.
Yeah, 311.
And the number is 25, or the sample size is 25.
Yeah.
Sweet. Now we're booking it.
You have to see.
So the mean of that one's 41.22. Oh, excuse me. 41.122.
Standard deviation is 79.177.
The sample size is 27. So does your husband work out in North Dakota doing something?
He dragged me here to build up his window washing company.
Oh, nice.
Yeah. I guess the market here is pretty good.
Dragged you out there. You weren't very excited to go, huh?
I'm not a huge fan of it here, but gotta work with what you got.
Yeah.
I was raised in Virginia, so it's very cold here.
Where's your husband from?
Idaho.
What part?
He's from Rigby.
Cool. I'm from Shelley.
Oh, yeah. Did you and your wife meet at school?
Yeah. You too? All right. I'm ready for 7. So make a histogram of the stock performance data for each companies. Are you using Word on the BYU Idaho desktop thing? Nice. number 7.